having worked with House Majority Leader Martin Romualdez, siya ngayon ang pinoposisyon na maging Speaker of the House.
Yes.
Ano naman po yung opinion niyo dito o masasabi niyo dito na hindi pa nga rin po nagsisimula yung panibagong kongreso, mukhang pinal na po ito?
Yes, tama. I think it is a foregone conclusion. Ang susunod na speaker ay si Representative Martin Romualdez, no? To be honest, we have worked with him, no, as majority leader, and kami naman, we will continue. I think, and I can say this as a member of the Coalition Makabayan, that we will continue to engage, no, principled engagement with the leadership of the 19th Congress, no, but we will continue to maintain our independence and initiatives, no, even as part of the nominal minority or opposition in the House. Meron kaming sariling tindig, no, para maitulak yung dala-dala naming people's agenda at yung pagtutulak natin sa interest ng aming constituencies, no, ang mga marginalized and underrepresented sector. So walang pagkakaiba ito sa aming engagement sa previous congresses, na principled yung aming engagement sa kanila para maitulak, no, ang kagalingan ng interes ng mamamayan at malabanan naman yung mga anti-people policies and concerns sa loob ng Kongreso, Carol.